A warm welcome to everyone. This is AQSA MAHEEN from Ignite IS Academy, pursuing into first year MEC group. Today, my topic is DPSP. What is DPSP? DPSP is a Directive Principles of State Policy. It is mentioned in Part 6 of the Constitution from Article 36 to 51. The idea was borrowed from the Irish Constitution of 1937. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar described these features as novel features of the Indian Constitution. Then, what are the features of DPSP? The features of DPSP are guidelines for central and state government. These DPSPs are non-justiciable in nature. They are not legally enforced by the court for the violation. These principles are applied in making in laws. The phrase Directive Principles of State Policy denotes the ideals that the state should keep in mind while formulating policies and enacting laws. They promote the welfare of the society, hence they are called as socialistic. These are inspired by state of Ireland, also by the principles of Gandhian philosophy. Then, DPSPs are classified into three types: Socialistic Principle, Gandhian Principle, Liberal Principle. Then, what is Socialistic Principle? Socialistic Principle reflects the ideology of socialism. Under this principle, there are some articles. Article 38, to promote welfare of the people by securing social, justice, economic and political, and inequalities should be removed by the country. The next article is Article 39. Article 39 is to secure. Under this article, there are some points. Right to adequate of means of livelihood and equitable distribution of material resources. Article 41, to secure and right to work. Article 42, human conditions of work and of maternity relief. Article 47, raise the level of nutrition to improve public health. Then the next principle is Gandhian Principle. Gandhian Principle. It is based on Gandhian philosophy. They represent the program of reconstruction enunciated by Gandhi during the national movement. Under this principle, there are some articles. Article 40, organize village panchayats with necessary powers and authority. Article 43, promote cottage industries in rural areas. Article 46, promote the educational and economic interests of SCs, STs and other weaker sections of the country. Article 47, prohibit the consumption of intoxicant drinks which are harmful for health. Article 48, prohibit the slaughter of cattle such as cows, calves, and improve their breeds. Then the next principle is Liberal Principle. It represents the ideology of liberalism. Under this principle, there are some articles. Article 44, to secure for all citizens a uniform civil code for all throughout the country. Article 45, provide early childhood care and education for the children until 6 years. Article 48, organize agriculture and animal husbandry. Article 49, protect historical monuments like Taj Mahal, Red Fort, etc. Article 50, separate the judiciary from the executive in the public service of the state. Difference between fundamental rights and directive principle. What are the difference between fundamental rights and directive principle? There is a main difference between fundamental rights and directive principle. The fundamental rights are justiciable in nature. Directive principles are non-justiciable in nature. They promote welfare of the individuals, and the directive principle promote the welfare of the community. Fundamental rights do not require any legislation for their implementation, and the Directive Principles of State Policy requires the implementation. The courts are bound with the violation, and here the courts cannot declare the violation. Thank you.